The story of the wind sleeping. The moonlight was quietly reflected in the lake, enveloping the surrounding earth with soft light. Lena, a girl living in a corner of an old village, heard the whispers of the wind on the shore of the lake. Recently, a mysterious event has been happening in the village. The sound of the wind reminded the villagers of old legends. There is a legend that the wind gives dreams to those who sleep. In that dream, it is said that those who are chosen will know the events of the past and be shown the way to the future. The villagers were afraid of it and avoided even talking to each other. However, Lena was determined to be guided by that fate. One night, Lena stared at the surface of the lake and called for the sound of the wind. "Wind, please give me a dream." At that moment, the wind suddenly intensed, and small waves shook the lake. Rena's heart was filled with warm light, and a path of light appeared in front of her. Following the path of light, Lena got lost in a mysterious world. The spirits of the wind lived there, and they smiled at Lena. "We have been waiting for you, the chosen one." The spirits taught Rena the existence of an ancient treasure. It is called the Jet of the Wind that has the power to protect the village, and it is said to have been in a deep sleep for a long time. However, it was necessary to overcome special trials. Lena made up her mind and said, "What should I do?" I asked. The spirits said, "It is good to be tested by the wind. The purity and courage of your heart will be tested." There are 3 trials. The first test is not to go against the wind of the blue, but to calm your mind. The second test is to walk barefoot on a path with thorns and endure pain. The third ordeal was to sacrifice yourself by helping others. Lena challenged the trial in front of her from the lake. In overcoming each ordeal, she found her true self and felt her inner strength. Finally, after completing the 3 trials, Lena arrived at the place where the wind jewel rests. There was a jewel that emitted light, and spirits appeared around it. "You met our expectations. Take this with you." When Lena picked up the jewel, warm energy flowed into her whole body, giving her the power to protect the village. She vowed to return to her original world and bring happiness and peace to the village. After returning to the village, Lena shared the message from the wind with the villagers and connected them again. And with the power of the treasure of the wind, the village prospered and everyone lived happily. Lena did not forget the dream given by the wind, and engraved the teachings in her heart throughout her life. The wind is always there and continues to protect us. In this way, the village was named as the Village of the Wind, and this story was told.